Hello, today we're going to be looking at how to set up new users in System 1. In order to be able to set up a new user, you will need the System Administrator access right. Before we look at how to set up a new user, we're going to have a brief look at how user accounts work through System 1. A System 1 account can have multiple profiles assigned to it. So these could be roles at multiple System 1 units, or even multiple roles at the same unit. This means that once a user has a System 1 account, they will be able to log into any System 1 units they have access to using the same credentials. When a new user is set up at a System 1 unit, a new account is created if they don't already have one. If they do have an account, a profile for the unit is added to that account. Some settings on an account are specific to the user's role at an individual unit, whereas some settings are specific to the account itself, so are consistent across all units the user has access to. So to set up a brand new user, navigate to the Setup menu, Users and Policy, and Staff and Organisation Setup. From here we can see the Staff tab, and with this selected we can see all the active staff at the unit. To add a new staff member, click on the New Staff button here. This will bring up a staff registration dialog, which will allow us to search for the staff member to see if they already have a System 1 account. To search for them, we can either enter a unique ID, such as their GMC or NMC number, or their SmartCard UUID, or we can enter the user's name. Once we've added the required information, click OK. System 1 will now search for the staff member. If when we performed the search, System 1 was unable to find any matching accounts, we will be informed of this, and then the process will continue to allow us to create a new account. If System 1 found accounts matching the search criteria we put in, these will be displayed in a new dialog. From the search results we can see the name of the user, their SmartCard number if one's linked to the account, and the units they've had access to. If the user is listed, select them, then click OK. Otherwise click Not Listed to create a brand new System 1 account. So after selecting an existing account or creating a new account, we will be able to complete the rest of the required details, such as the user's name, logon details, role, access rights, and so forth. However, bear in mind that some details are linked to the System 1 account itself, not just this unit. So everything on these tabs relates to the user's System 1 account. So anything that is changed here will impact them at any System 1 unit they have access to. Everything on these tabs are specific to the unit we are currently in. Once the required fields have been completed, click OK, and the staff member is now set up. Finally, if a user has been given access to a unit on their SmartCard, but they have not yet been set up in the way we've just gone through, System 1 will actually create a new account or add their existing account to the unit as required when they first log in. However, this does mean that the user may be using the system without any of the other required configurations, such as IDs, codes, non-RBAC access rights, user group allocations, and so forth. Thank you for listening, and please have a look at our other videos to find out more about setting up staff in System 1.